There's a lot of options when it comes to working out, but I'm gonna share with you the 5 reasons why you should start using the rowing machine this year. First, a huge shout out to everyone who is subscribed to my follow along rowing app, Just Row. With dozens of workout programs and hundreds of follow along workouts with me, you guys make videos like this possible, so thanks so much. And if you're interested in the app, check it out, link down below. The first reason, and it goes without saying, rowing is a full body exercise. The motion of the rowing stroke works about 84% of the muscles in your body. And the only things you're really not working are your chest and your triceps. But you see, that's the beautiful thing about rowing, is that most people work push-ups and bench press, but rowing helps us work on our more intricate posture muscles, as well as help strengthen our legs. So if you're short on time, you get a lot more bang for your buck when using the rowing machine. The second reason why you should start using the rowing machine is that it's low impact cardio. And if you've got joint issues like knee problems, exercises like running are simply unsustainable. And you might think, yeah, well, cycling's a low impact cardio. Well, sure it is, but you know how hard it is to get your heart rate up on the cycle bike. But because rowing is a full body exercise, we get that same low impact effect of cycling, but we're able to get our heart rate up more sustainably. So if you've been dealing with joint problems, frankly, the rowing machine is one of the best options you have for cardio. Reason number 3 why you should start using the rowing machine is that it is one of the highest calorie burning exercises. Because of the full body nature of the rowing stroke, you've got a lot of your body working all at once. And because the rowing stroke's intensity is scalable from light and easy strokes to hard and heavy strokes, you can burn anywhere between 300 calories an hour up to over 1,000 calories per hour. And if you're doing short sprints for your workouts, you can crank the calories per hour metric over 2,000 calories per hour. So if you're looking to lose excess body fat and put yourself into a calorie deficit through your workouts, the rowing machine is one of the most efficient ways to achieve the highest calorie burn in the shortest amount of time. Reason number 4 why you should start using the rowing machine is that it's super accessible. In this day and age, most gyms have some sort of rowing machine you can use. And while there's a ton of different rowing brands that are out there, the action of the rowing stroke, the leg push, body swing, arm pull, it is the same motion no matter what the rowing machine is. Now, granted, certain budget-friendly rowers for your home that you find on Amazon can really shorten up your range of motion. Most rowing machines that you'll find in the gym setting allow for full range of motion strokes. And once you spend some time learning the proper technique, either through YouTube videos or heck, doing one of my follow along workouts on my app, you'll find that no matter what rowing machine you go onto, that you'll be able to take strokes efficiently and have an effective workout. Plus, let's face it, you're gonna be the cool person who uses the rower instead of just watching it collect dust like everyone else does when you go into the gym setting. You're gonna hop on there and you're gonna show everyone how it's done. And the 5th reason why you should start using the rowing machine is that it is a new skill that is transferable to other forms of exercise. First off, as a human, learning new skills is one of the most cup-filling things we can do in life. The things that make us feel like we're living life to its fullest and we're getting the most out of day-to-day living. And think about it, how many people do you know that actually know how to use the rowing machine well? Very few people. So not only are you learning a new skill for yourself, but you're learning a skill that hardly anyone is ever gonna learn. And that's pretty cool. Sure, that's great and all, but there's actually more of a practical implication with it too, because the rowing stroke teaches us the proper biomechanics of hinging from our hips, loading our lats from a loaded bar, being the handle, and learning what it means to drive through the legs and then extend through the hips. And these loading principles and this motion of push, swing, and pull is really transferable to a ton of exercises like deadlifts, bent over rows, and even more complicated lifts like power cleans. But even if you're not using barbells, you're using dumbbells or kettlebells, the rowing stroke form is transferable to all those variations with those other pieces of equipment too. There is just so much winning to be had when using the rowing machine. And I know that you've seen it in the gym just sitting there. Aren't you tired of just kind of wondering what it's all about? It's time for you to get on the rower this year. And I would love to know your reasons why you're maybe hesitant to get on the rower, or other reasons why others should get on the rower if you've already been rowing yourself. So be sure to share that with me down in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more rowing content. I've got a ton of rowing resources down below, including my app, including my best-selling book, Row Your Fat Off, as well as rowing form reviews if you'd like me to personally look at your form and coach it for you. But I hope this video could inspire you to maybe, just maybe, take a seat on the rower and give it a shot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.